We are here in the Unats river valley. The Unats is a major tributary of the Una, and we are a little bit outside of the Una National Park in the northwest of Bosnia and Herzegovina, the canton Unasana. And right where I'm standing, there could be the whole valley flooded because of a hydropower electric dam, and there are still plannings about it, and I think that can't be. That is ridiculous.